Welcome to Choose Lifetime. Ten Best Dual Inverter Portable Air Conditioner. We are going to check out top 10 best dual inverter portable air conditioner in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this dual inverter portable air conditioner, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below.
Top 10.
Whynter Arc 12 SD 12,000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner, Dehumidifier, Fan with Activated Carbon Filter plus Storage Bag for rooms up to 400 square feet, white. 12,000 BTU, ASHRAE.
Top 9.
Whynter Arc 131 GD 13,000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner, Dehumidifier, Fan with Activated Carbon Filter in Gray Plus Storage Bag for rooms up to 420 square feet. 13,000 BTU, AS.
Top 8.
Airo 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner with built-in dehumidifier and fan modes. Dual motor portable AC unit. Quiet operation. Includes remote control. Floor air conditioner with window installation kit for rooms up to 450 square feet. White. Powerful cool. In cooling mode, the temperature can be set within a range of 62 degrees Fahrenheit, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The Uhome Portable Air Conditioner, SACC rating 14,000 BTU, 2017 SACC standard is 6,000. Delivers fast, effective cooling for spaces up to 450. To press mode button to choose auto dry. Fan mode providing fan and dehumidification functions.
Top 7.
LG 14,000 BTU 115V Dual Inverter Window Air Conditioner with Wi-Fi control, 14,000, white. Ultra Quiet Operation. Revolutionary dual inverter technology gives powerful yet silent.
Top 6.
LG 18,000 BTU 230V Dual Inverter Window Air Conditioner with Wi-Fi control, 18,000, white. Ultra Quiet Operation. Revolutionary dual inverter technology gives powerful yet silent performance, operating at sound levels as low as 44 decibels in sleep mode. 25% more energy efficient. Dual inverter technology is up to 25% more energy efficient than the
Top 5.
DELLA 14,000 BTU ASHRAE Smart Wi-Fi Enabled Portable Air Conditioner, Freestanding Indoor Electric Fan Dehumidifier Unit on Wheels W/Remote Control, Window Kit, cools up to 700 SK. EFT, redesigned APP. With the redesigned DELLA Plus app, you can adjust the temperature setting from anywhere within range. While you're relaxing at home, you can adjust the temperature without getting up off the couch. Works in any space. Ideal for indoor use, this fan will cool down your bedroom, living room, apartment, condo, or office. Smart.
Top 4.
Airo Comfort AC08 MWS Portable Air Conditioner 8,000 BTU with remote control, built-in dehumidifier and fan modes. Quiet AC cooling unit cools room up to 200 square feet. LED display, window mount kit included, white. Powerful efficient cool air conditioner. Cool your room, home, bedroom, apartment, and office with Airo Comfort's portable air conditioner. Beat the heat and stay comfortable. It's perfect for rooms approximately 200 sq ft. With horizontal or vertical window installation and automatic wind.
Top 3.
Whynter Elite Arc 122 DS 12,000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner, Dehumidifier, Fan with Activated Carbon Filter plus Storage Bag for rooms up to 400 square feet, multi. 12,000 BTU, ASHRAE, / 7,000 BTU, SACC, cooling capacity. 3 operational modes. air conditioner, fan, or dehumidifier. This unit can cool up to a 400 square feet.
Top 2.
LG 9000 500 BTU Dual Inverter Smart Window Air Conditioner, cools 450 SKIA. EFT, ultra quiet operation, up to 15% more energy savings, Energy STR. Works with LG Think, Amazon Alexa, and Hey Google 115V. Ultra quiet operation. Revolutionary dual inverter technology gives powerful yet silent performance, operating at sound levels as low as 44 decibels in sleep mode. 15% more energy efficient. Dual inverter technology is up to 15.
Top 1.
Whynter Arc 14 S 14,000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner, Dehumidifier, Fan with activated carbon filter in Platinum and Black Plus storage bag for rooms up to 500 square feet. 14,000 BTU ASHRAE / 9,000 500 BTU SACC cooling capacity. Intake / exhaust hoses. Based on the version of the portable air conditioner you have, you may need a 5.0 or 5.9 diameter hoses and / or connectors listed below. Please make sure to measure your existing hoses before ordering additional accessories. Please note that we do not recommend extending the exhaust hoses more than 9 feet long. Video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.